Izdan banami as a Bakshan, the Baksha Nepal, Snow was done in the Tanish of the Rudao. Medicine the ship was the system and the share station. Panama is one of the orders in the Gorza of Zia. Artist Belga as a woman, the Pashan of the West in Dushmata. Prowadenie ma zbieżne z video over takie show. Havania show na szedł snajcia, majcie rodzaju zdjęcia. Samange wysajcie show na szedł snajcia, majcie rodzaju zdjęcia. Arnold Muzda Murda Arnold Muzda 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 Karman ko sa Muzda na Marina par Muzda na Kavi Karman Muzda Muzda Muzda. तो वही शोषण ने वही शोषण ने नस्ल के बड़े मिजाजे फिर इसके बड़े मिजाजे काबिश करने को मजा मजा मुतर प्रेम के बड़े मिजाजे काबिश करने को मजा मजा मुतर आटस में निर्देश है वो करने से बेशक मजा मुतर फिर इस पे भी आते हैं लोग हस्तर हमने निर्देश में तो इतना ही चाहिए हम माइंड चलो तो जो स्थिति है पर ये सब ताफला में मरूद है तारे दूष आशा ये सब जो मरूद इसलिए जो बड़ी दिन जो उश्वर दिन जो दिन में जापना में तो आज जो गुज़रा इसलिए हमने इसमें मशाक में मुश्किल बारे में जी इसलिए राजी देश मुझे तो बेस मिस्टर गाँव जिसको एक मिस्टर मेरे थे बुद्धि मेरे थे किसी भी हो एक तो प्रश्न भी होगा ना शुद्ध में मुश्किल का तो जरूर गुज़रा सोच में न माने मत सोच में न माने रोश में माने पक्ष में न माने डरेगी जीवन में जीवन रहना ज़बानी मुकस्सरन खुशकरी दर्दसरिया उनके खुशकरी तोरी देहा मातशकुर मुज़दा आसु खातरे मासुतरादी मासुजीती पोरु खातरे पोरु दरादी पोरु जीती मस्तिष्क पान मुकस्सरिया मिजमा मोना शिकरे तो पासे बजे में जो उनते में फिर आते हैं नेरियां पासे लाइन मेरे दिन ऐसे तो संगम में तो दोषों में अस्ताम जगफना प्लस होगा तो जुगार दोषा आस्था प्रसन्न वर्षों राजन व्याकरण हम रोदा महापम अजू मुझे अंधेरा लगा तो ज़मानी चबी सेम जजन तुम जल क्यों जल उस्ती चल क्या मार्च में तो मुझदा क्या गाने पसंद गाँव लोग चल रहा है ये वेस्ट मुश्किल में इसको खाते हैं ज़रूर मंगावश में सर्वाइव होने चलो देश बंदे इसी वजह से बड़ी डाटा मुझदा हो रहे एक लोग हज़ारीं जो सलीम इसे भी अच्छा इसे तो ऊपर दिन जो उश्वर दिन जो बदल दिन जिसकी तरह इस पर पर्सन मैनेज ताबी दिए कि मगर अशेर बड़ी निकले दावा मशायद आता है मिले तक महंत प्रदेश तारे सारे जिले इसमें बड़े से बा अशेर बड़े जरूर से गुबारन बा पता नहीं इतना वार बाइस्ते में बात मुझदा लोग अशेर विशेष लोगों वो तो अक्षय के उस बात को बिरंदा वो तो अस्पताल में तो मनो मैं तो जबसे जबको पूर्वाक्षर जिगे स्टाव कश्मीर या जवाब में तो आपने मुंबई में इसमें मेरी की कुछ स्पेशली स्पेशली उस डाटा हम तथा वही उठाव ले जब तक जवाब अंदर की बसारे तथा वही उठाव ले जब तक मुझे ना नहीं चाहिए Uraian Guru Asare, the steam job him to all the Japanese. Atom was the Buddha, and was the Atom the Buddha. Kanun was some Muzatari, Grand Muzadran. Kavish Kanun was the Atom the Buddha. The wish was one and a very was the gracious that the secret was that Kavish Kanun was the Atom the Buddha. Raven the gracious that the Kavish Kanun was the Atom the Buddha. Addis with the Ratish as the Buddha, Spain, Athari, the questions of the Shemu was some of the share station. Shemu was some of the share station. Shemu was some of the share station. At two other words, system, and when they saw the travel game. At another vision, the just size and the SN and the machine go, a semester stands to stand the share station. My second some of them were the machine goes for them. My son will name regular my waste of emotional and so kind of the afternoon go, the semester to stand the share station. Hazangara machine and by very vision, Hazangara machine and by very vision, Hazangara machine and by very vision go, the semester to stand the share station. The son of the game was the seven was that Mutash to hold the vibration of the other Ramakas, the usual Kagi. Those names Damani, that was the menu. Tavashi, the data is Ravani and Carnage of the Shimbu, the semester to stand the share station. Careful was the generation of Pul Mashia Rushamara. Come careful again of the bishops of the Zimbabwe and Pashipala Bridges of the DG. After the Rapi machine was the to stand the television. Rose income was Papa was Mubarak, was Mubarak, and Divish Avishastan. Hey, Haven. The mother again, the man showing was out. He was the Adish was the Rose out. It is the Shim was to stand the sheriff was the President. Artist Garga, Father, Chapels, Radar Bushes, Para, Corda, Bushid made. Of Radar, Adashi, but the anxious test was the Provocation over command, Rosgar. Among the gross related masses and a guy of opening anywhere, the gives really by. Then I wear a shirt and I wear a shirt and I wear a shirt and go. So I still stand to stand with the shirt. Another again, in a mother said, it was in the song. This is a night that she was to stand with the shirt. And all the only was that there, she was to stand with the shirt. Shelter was there in the Irish was there with the Shimbo, the semester stands to stand in the sheriff station. Shelter was the Shimbo, semester stands to stand in the sheriff station. But I may as a Buxer in the man. I'm station of the Amabu as the Mavi. Nam as a Spiramino in the rich Mino Jesh. Kudash Yaknam was the Kodak. Mish to the one of Nana Radar Provata. Opano, Kabo, can figure out Kushida, which he will rest in Masu. Suppose the Buzu was the and Cafe. Over the location, temporary food or any of the Shamishashman. Over which is the Russian based of Brokman. ऊपर पे आसमान ऊपर तमाम मांगामी उसके लोकशों में दरबार वो वो आता है सब जमीन और बसमान और तजुर्बान देश में नियत है जो बड़े करते में करना अजर देतियां बेचने मर्दों को गवाशी बंदन मशीरियशन का दानी दाज कामन को अगर रखो अंजलिश पुलिस दीवार नवाज से आकाश कावल किस परिस्थिति में रोज कितना मना शुरू हो ऐसे दावन दी नाने के उसके जो आसनी खेती बोझ गड़ी Tadi juga ada sebesar bukan bilang perempuan. Perempuan mata seperti terkubai depan. Upul uktar aja dojo pada orang keru. Akan masyur bosan ande ubai aman English. Perempuan itu kabar, perempuan itu kabar, perempuan itu kabar. Padilah mungkin bukan berjalan. Ini bija askam malah beberapa kehidupan. Jadi sebenarnya bejida, abijida roh berasal dari mana jenis upap jenis macam. Manusia gawas ni manusia udah harus kira. Bagaimana kita kira kata panan kada net proses be manusia be gawas be gawas. Pasang lain version ko dasar dire. Pasang dojo balik ni macam sini Kazani Bishop Google Harvest University among Harish. Stash no one who Michelle Kurai, who come and get the publisher from the woman I don't know. The Rujugo of Indian is with them. Stash the level was the Rosbaga, another government, so Beran as a British Shimbo. The mysterious system is the church. Stash the level was the Rosbaga, another government, so Beran as a British Mutasha Shimbo was the mysterious system in the church. Stash the level was the Rosbaga, another government, which is Beran as a British Shimbo. Yazdan Radha Banami Koda Manami Yazdan Bakshayan De Bakshasar Nirman Yazdan Panamari Shabari Thani Medal Tatavari Otara Tush Ashada Yacham Zamin Bush Otranam Guru Zadim Chai Ura Indri Kibir Bastarim Tatavari Otara Tush Yacham Zamin Bush Otranam Guru Zadim Chai Ura Indri Kibir Bastarim Tandarosti Dejiyoshni Avan Nashida Yazdan Mino Yazdan Gitin Hafta Shastran and Yazrushum Beresaun in Royan Parliament Cassandra, Tetus in Sabri in Pariavari Kuda, whatever Dalama and Jun Rao, Beth in Shapur Rao, Beth in Rusbe Rao, Beth in Simin Rao, Beth in Vira Rao, and Firoza Rao, Beth in Pepsi Rao, Beth in KT Rao, Beth in Freni Rao, Beth in Homai Rao, Pasti Naju Rao, Beth in Roshan Rao, Beth in Jangir Rao, Beth in Sillu Rao, Beth in Banu Rao, Beth in Farokh Rao, within Sindhu Rao, within Kavas Rao, within Roshan Rao, within Shahrukh Rao, within Hilla Rao, within Tenaz Rao, within Thriti Rao, within Kushnuma Rao, Kudareni Rao, within Prochi Rao, within Rashna Rao, within Javid Rao, within Vidu Rao, within Janin Rao, within Imi Rao, within Ava Rao, within Maras Bhan Rao, within Sapal Rao, within Banu Rao, within Gev Rao, within Rusbe Rao, within Cyrus Rao, within Maridok Rao, within Homi Rao, within Khorshid Rao, within Marasban Rao, within Roshan Rao, within Mini Rao, within Edalji Rao, within Imi Rao, within Beram Rao, within Godafid Rao, within Jamshed Rao, Pasta Bairam Rao, within Soli Rao, within Khorshid Rao, within Kumi Rao, Ever Maya Rao, Osta Farzad Rao, Khurda Sam Rao, within Shavaksha Rao, within Nina Rao, within Yazdi Rao, Osta Adi Rao, समस्त कुटुंब हजारों साल जिंदगी में राजबाग देर बेदार साल बेदार दोस्त बेदार बेदार वर्षा रजानियां साले विश्व में करने विश्व बाकी पांडार साल आफिन बारसल मोटरस्ते बार रोज बरोब बार मुबारक बार चंदन रोज में बेसियर साल रजान दार जश्नी वनिया यशने परा दीवा जोरबस नशी दार वरमागार के फिहाम Rosti bar, neki bar, खूब बार तरस बार पेशरों में शासन कामीवान, धनवान, पुत्रवान, आयुष्यवान, लक्ष्मीवान, वृद्धिवान, विद्यावान, विजयवान, रोजीवान, चारित्रवान शुक्रना नारायण किन्ने विषय को माना पांच मास जडोस स्पितामान Trashim वस्तु उस्ता में कशा वस्ता यशेम Yazdan agar banami koda banami azad baksha inde baksha zmirban Yazdan banami jo shalbare thani madal Tata veli 18 tosh shashari char Yazdan ne kush otna zalim jai ho rahe hain indri ki bastare Tata veli 18 tosh shashari char Yazdan ne kush otna zalim jai ho rahe hain indri ki bastare Tandrosti rejiyoshni avan koran nashida yazdan zindagitiyan Kafta me shaspran mizushun beresan in duanya main koanya barmanda Cassandra terus inside bari kuda wanda alam menjuman samasta menjuman bahwa jauh saat ini kan yang merasbar dir bidar sampai dalam terus sampai bidar bersama zagian saling bishelo kan bishuman pagi pagi dar sal jasa afin bar saya bodas te bar ros foro bar bar chandan ros chandan ma desiar sal arzani dar yashni mania yashni para diwa jo besh nashidar karena karo कहते हैं नरस की बाने की बार खूब बार तरस बार जैसे हम शास्त्र कामिमान धनवान पुत्रवान आयुष्मान लक्ष्मण वृद्धिवान विद्यावान विजय रोजी चारित्रवान शुक्र न डालारे ने बशी बेगुमान पागिन मासे से तो स्पितामान Shashim Bo Vestin Asti Ustam Metashar Vistan Shin. Let us all do a hum bandagi. Shno Thraure Mazdao, Ashim Bo Veste Masti, Ustam, Mayat Shai Vesta Shim, Yatha Overio, Athar Atosh, Ashad Chita Chap, Mange Vudasda, Maningo, Shotranam, Gurmazda, Dream Chai Huraya, Indri Gibur Vastarim, Tha Overio, Athar Atosh, Ashad Chap, Gurmazda, Maningo, Shotranam, Gurmazda, Dream Chai Huraya, Indri Gibur Vastarim. Hashem Bo Veste Masti Ustam Mayat Shai Vesta Shim. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you all had a great week and are keeping safe. Last time I explained the meaning of Navjot. Just to recap, the word Navjot is derived from Nav and Jot, that is a new offerer of prayers. Today I will explain how the entire Navjot is performed. The following information is taken from Ramyar Karanja's website. The non-ritual. At the outset, a priest is required to go to the place of Navjot. He should take with him nirang, concentrated bull's urine, gomez, unconcentrated bull's urine, and a few pomegranate leaves. The priest himself performs Padya Kashti and takes about a teaspoonful of nirang in a small fullu, metallic cup, for giving to the child or for sipping, and another teaspoonful of gomez taro, another fullu, for applying on the body of the child. Then the child washes his hands and face and recites the Kasti prayers. After that, a white handkerchief is placed on the right hand of the child, on which 3 to 5 tender pomegranate leaves are placed. The child is then made to recite the grace for meals, after which it is made to chew the pomegranate leaves and spit out the residue. The white handkerchief is retained on the right hand and on it the fully of nirang is placed. The child is made to thrice recite the line in Khoram, in Pakyat, Yos Datre Ravandana. After each recitation, the child is made to sip a couple of drops of nirang from the fullu. In the past, at this point, the priest used to make the child recite the Pade Prashimani. Nowadays, the child just recites the Yatha Overio, and the priest giving the nun recites the entire Pade Prashimani prayer on behalf of the child. Thereafter, the ladies of the house take the child from the bath. Taro is applied over the body. After the taro dries, the child is given a bath. Then the child wears a pajama and a cap. A shawl or a white cloth is draped over the shoulders. The child is then led in a procession to the place where the Navjot is to be performed. Before stepping onto the stage or the mat, the mother of the child or a senior lady of the family performs the traditional Achumichu, after which the child steps onto the mat and sits facing east. As according to tradition, Navjots were performed only in the morning. On the special place prepared for him, a short wooden stool, patlo, over which a white cloth chadar is spread. On the mat, 4, 6 or 8 priests, including the Bada Rasturji or Pantaki Sahib, performing the Navjot sit around the child. The senior-most priest, either the Bada Rasturji or Pantaki Sahib, starts the Bada Prashimani prayer from the Kodya and the rest of the priests join in with the words Okhya Vaksh and finish the Bada Prashimani. If the child knows the Bada Prashimani, then he or she prays with the priest. Otherwise, he or she recites the Yatha Overio 21 times and Ashim Bo 12 times. Then the child is made to stand facing the east, whether the Navjot is in the Havan or the Uziram. Then the priest performing the Navjot stands facing the child. He makes the child hold the right sleeve of the Sadra in his right hand and the left sleeve in the left hand, while softly reciting 2 Yatha Overios. Then join the 2 hands and make the child recite the Bimno Kalmopazan. The priest then recites the Yatha Overio and on the word Shaudhanna makes the child wear the Sadra. All the priests present as well as the child recite the Yathavuryo with the main priest. The priest performing the Navjot goes behind the child holding the kasti in his hand. The child holds the little finger of the priest, who then recites the initial part of Hormas Diyash, while the child stands silently. After that, the priest and the child together recite the Auramazda Padai and Jasmavangi Masda prayers. All through the Auramazda Padai prayer, the child holds the little finger of the priest. The priest makes the child hold the front knots with his index fingers and asks the child to join hands. Passing his hands over the child's shoulders, the priest recites the Jasmavangi Masda prayer. The passing of the hands over the shoulders is symbolic of transferring the divine energy from the priest into the child. After this, the priest makes the child sit facing the east. The priest performing the Navjot sits facing the child. He first applies the tika on the forehead of the child with kampu, red vermilion paste. Then keeps a few rice grains over it. A flower garland is then put around the child, and the child is given a coconut, a betel leaf, a sopari, and an envelope of money in his hand, all symbolic of the auspicious occasion that is Sagan. Finally, the bouquet is kept in the hands of the child. If the child is a girl, a sari is draped around her shoulders. Thereafter, the Rastuji or priest, who has performed the Navjot, stands facing the child and blesses the child, reciting the Dua Rosti and showering a mixture of rice, shredded almonds, raisins, coconut pieces, rose petals and pomegranate seeds on the child from a metallic tray. Afterwards, the child is dressed in new clothes and taken to the nearby Agyari or Atashbera, where the child offers sandalwood to the fire and seeks blessings from the fire. I will see you all next week. Till then, Yazdan Panabal. May God protect us. Thank you.